Fact. Buthelezi killed the most black natives in modern history. Under his command and instruction, many of our comrades were killed. The only formal salary he knows is from the apartheid government. The funding of his Inkatha/IFP was from apartheid government. Zulu police station commanders that directed and planned the missions to kill us in the locations. Using the Zulu police and IFP militia were never prosecuted for their crimes, but moved to other stations. Continued work protected and have retired with awesome pensions. Buthelezi's killing machine. Back to the point. The man that killed so many native people in SA is given a state funeral. That is a hero's farewell. How is that possible unless the ANC itself are Askaris? I guarantee you Chris Hani, Harry Gwala would have never attended this funeral, as they were clear of the sacrifice made in the internal struggle. The people killed by Buthelezi to impress his white masters and hold on to power given to him by apartheid. Listen very carefully, every black politician/native that attended the funeral is not to be trusted. They are Askaris, agents of modern apartheid operated by Business SA. Buthelezi under his instruction killed the most black SA native in modern history. How is he given a state funeral unless we are led by Askaris? Fact.